Property preservation, here we go. We got another one. You know, today's journey is gonna bring us to an hour out of town. Hour away, hour back. Winterize, cap, weeds, trees. You gotta do everything. Hardest thing to do is winterize. It takes the longest. Cutting shrubs, cutting trees away, it's all the same thing. I got plants, leaf removal. So we're gonna clear up some leaves. There are leaves, they're more than they're expecting, so we're just gonna do what we have to do. Winterizing right now. As you see, we got leaves, we got a couple shrubs. I'm gonna cut that tree right there that's next to the house away. But it looks like everything's good. I could go on top there and cut those couple branches. Yeah. Here we go. I've been trying other options. I got this option right here. Battery operated. Have batteries, have Milwaukee already. I use this to pump air and pressure test the house. And I'm just trying it out. See what happens. See how much battery I use. Hopefully I don't use a lot. Turning on the air here. So you find one of these valves outside or inside. You hear that sound? That means air is going in it. Now, you hear that sound? That means the valve's open. Boom, right there, valve's open. Turn that off. Hear that? Oh, look. That's on. So just turning shit off. Just start turning stuff off real quick. And see if the pressure holds. You know what I mean? Small house. Still have personals in here. So all I do is just listen. I still hear something on, so we're gonna shut it off. You open it up to get the water down. That should be it. I'll turn it off right here if I can build more pressure here. But I think I locked everything. Everything should be good. I put all my tags on. I got all my tags, as you see. You don't have to know where it's from, but I got all my tags on. Coolant, every P-trap, sink, bathroom, toilet, shower, washer, anything that has a P-trap to put in it. Plastic pipe, that's all it is, where the water goes down, like that. All the P-traps, so that's probably the sink that's down there, so just remember that, all the P-traps. You hear the water. Well, I need some of this water, so I'm gonna stop it, drain it, clean out this toilet. Everything's money. All right, so here we go. Hear this going on. But like I said, I need the water. So let me go get a toilet bucket, clear out a toilet, and I'll be done. But I can still hear the water up there dropping. So maybe I'll turn. So this is what I got. Another battery operated transfer pump. Battery operated. So I got it set to 30. It stopped there. Is that 30 right there? You know, and stopped right there. But it has a little leakage right there, so the thing worked. So it worked. That's nice. That's very